Good morning, South Africa. The girl you see on this trending video is my sister, and I would like to apologize on her behalf. She's not someone who goes around doing such things in public. She was under the influence of something. As we speak, she's at the hospital fighting for her life because this video really affected her self-esteem badly. I don't think she will ever recover from this. Can you please stop sharing this video and making fun of it? Because my sister is a married woman and you all are putting her marriage in jeopardy. Thank you. So this post is actually coming from this woman's sister. In case you've not seen this video or come across this woman's video, I don't want to post it on my page because it might damage my page. So that's why her picture is up here. So let me tell you why this lady has been trending on this space for a while now. So this lady is a strong worshiper of one church. I don't know the name of her church. She went to church. She left what she was supposed to do in the church, came outside in a broad daylight and was knocking a fellow worshiper. Someone now made a video of them and posted on the internet. And her sister is here pleading, telling people not to broadcast or not to share the videos that is damaging her sister's mental health. And that this video is actually putting her marriage in jeopardy. She was under the influence of something. What exactly did she before going to church, or was she drunk before going to church? Because tell me why a full-grown woman in a broad daylight will come out in the church premises and was having something to do with a male church worshiper or fellow worshiper. Married woman. She was under the influence of something. Did she take the stuff at home before going to church, or did she take the stuff inside the church? Because tell me how someone will be high. Your highness did not tell you to go home and do what you want to do. If what you took is actually making you to do things that you're not supposed to do, is in the church premises. Anyways, the deal breaker is, as long as this is on the internet, it cannot stop going far.
So uThato Mahlaba usiyithi seyele ukukhuluma ngevideo kasisi wakhe siyibonile kuyinto futhi beyipublic athi simushela umshado kasisi wakhe sifaka umshado kasisi wakhe engcupheni singenaphi cela ibuzeni uThato Mahlaba ukuthi singenaphi thina singena kuphi usisoko bekayazi into bekayenza bekayazi yisho bekayazi into bayenza yisho and into mporayo kuthi umusha igama leSt John's, like umusha not only to umusha igama leSt John's ne umusha igama lamabandla wonke, like wonke nomara bothatana nabo sisibenu.
Azi-ke njenaba mfethu nangu sisi la ukuthi usisi wakhe lo so njengoba usisi wakhe uyachaza ukuthi usisi wakhe already lento simfaka esibhedlela leyo ukuthi alizocansa edlangalaleni and ubecela ke bafethu ukuthi singamtrendisi since sebeqalile abantu ukumtrendisa nathi simtrendisa ubecela ke lo sisi wakhe ukuthi angatrendiswa ngoba lento le isiyehlisa isidima sakhe nesithunzi yokuthi kutrendiswe le video. Umbuzo wami engibuza wona uwodwa, utheme eqala enza ucansa edlangalaleni wangacabanga ukuthi uzotrenda, noma wangacabanga ukuthi abantu bazoshare lento, noma wangacabanga ukuthi kuzothathwa ivideo then mase yatrendiswa njengoba sekwenzekile kanje? Bafethu anoqale nicabange before nenze izinto ezikanje ukuthi kuzokwenzakala after lento sokusiyenzile. Bafethu yekani lento nenza.
What kind of an emergency is it for you to be disrespecting dilo tsa prophet? What kind of an emergency is it mo ileng gore you have to drink alcohol? Hara mabala aba prophet kapa mabala aba batho ba o kenela le bona kereke. Ke emergency a thing that forces you to promote things that go against the church. Emergency a thing that makes you think it is normal and to even encourage your friends right onto the snacks. What kind of an emergency is it for us to be disrespecting uniform ya kereke, dilo tsa kereke, ditshebetso tsa kereke, ke bophelo ba umang bo re bo savang. Whose life are you saving? Because there is no way o ka etsa fela. No, there must be an emergency. There must be an emergency that is forcing you to drink alcohol. There must be an emergency that is forcing you to be disrespecting and disregarding. Tshwanetse be go na le bophelo ba motho bo e leng gore bo rely on you doing that, on you promoting events and promoting things, incidents that go against the church.
Bathi asikho space sekuhlalisa labanye abazalwane lapha kuleli bandla leAwiwi lelikhonda lipromote kakhulu nekudunusa. Bathi nabacula bosesi bakhona badunuse ngoba bazalwane labaningi ba-applyile. Bathi the following Sunday siyeta stokhonda lapho emva kokuthi babukele lenye ivideo labe eveta khona bazalwane lababili babhizi kakhulu la eceleni kwelisondo. Bathi uvakele lomnye sesi athi ithi lenceku ibhizi ngaye. Lo sesi ubonakale lapho sekayenta avula tandla kwangathi sey-elebrain ubona ukuthi no le ndiza nawe seyakhuphuka nemthwalo, but lo mfo lo inceku uzamile wamlahlisa umthwalo khona lapho. Libhandi belihleli leli blue la eceleni balibekile libukela perhaps ngoba bese kumnanzi kakhulu la kule nkonzo. So bantu labaningi bathi hayi nathi siyeda lapho sicela ukuthi nina bosesi into silahlisa umthwalo ngoba njoba washo lihleza wathi 50 ngapha 30 ngapha la kuleli bandla kubukeka ngathi mahala ngapha. So bonke abantu bayeta bathi sifuna le mahala ngapha khona lapho bete khona batolahliswa umthwalo. So singaboni bantu ba rapper ikhona into yamahala nika labafana ikhekhe labo perhaps. Wow, so bekubhizi kakhulu la kuleli bandla leAwiwi kungiko lokho kuyinika kuyiteka famba perhaps. Wow,
angasho ayi ngaphinda ngasho futhi ngathi hayi umfundisi ulithathile madoda. Yebo kuthiwa hayi ulithathile umfundisi ngesikhathi sesonto madoda. Yebo hayi abadlala abafundisi bamanje kuthiwa hayi sesothemba bani ke manje. Yebo nansi video madoda oyifunayo amanye inbox ngiyamsendela ayibone. Hayi umfundisi ulikhethile esontweni madoda. Yebo bathi naba kade bahlezi batontshana every time. Lo mfana lo munye wathi hayi mina ngikhathele yilaba umfundisi lento ayenzayo. Yebo hayi wayithatha wahamba wathi ngiyayazi position yabo ukuthi bafika what time esinini kuphi kanjani. Hayi wahamba washuta ivideo madoda. Yebo nansi yabashuta bayadeda bayangena lapha babhizi bayayenza lento esontweni madoda. Hayi umfazi womuntu. Yebo kuthiwa hayi manje usesibhedlela ulwela ilife yakhe yayamutraumatize ivideo ya trend yahamba madoda. Yebo nansi babhizi hayi lapha hayi madoda. Yebo bathiwa leya yi-quick njengenkukhu phakathi fast quick. Hayi nanku umfazi womuntu madoda. Sothemba kanjani uya esontweni uyatamatwa, uya emsebenzini uyatamatwa. Hayi usesiporweni usetraining ukuphi uyatamatwa, usetoilet uthi ungena emall usatamathiwe sobatamatwa yonke indawo madoda. Yebo hayi kunzima eSouth Africa madoda kodwa nansi indaba kwenzakalani kuleya church. Hayi bayiwisile isonto umuntu madoda. Yebo hayi kunzima kakhulu kulomhlaba eSouth Africa man.
Let's talk about this, and when we do, let's try to remove emotion out of it. Uyabona, the video that's been doing the round of those two church members doing the deed, kanjayan. Leanto, it shows izinto eziningi ezifihlakele emabandleni or in the body of Christ. It is basically showing the rot that is in amasonto. And also it's showing the difference between an agenda and reality. The agenda of the church as a whole, the entire body of Christ, is to do what? Is to bring people closer to God, it is holiness, it is ukwazana noNkulunkulu. Everybody is trying to ukuthi bazane noNkulunkulu. That is the entire agenda of the church. If I've left anything out, feel free to add. But in reality, the church is led by what? Abantu. People. And what was happening in that video is a stark reality of what is happening emfihlakalweni. uNkulunkulu uyayiveza ke into. So leanto, I think let's look at it, guys, metaphorically. Ngokuthi, it is literally showing us what is happening behind closed doors emasontweni, and it being brought to light ngale ndlela. I don't want us to look at this incident in isolation and look at those two people. It is just showing the rot that is in the church. Yazi isonto theoretically is supposed to be indawo engcwele, right? But isonto alikho ngcwele ngoba abantu abekho ngcwele. In fact, ngingathi umuntu, umoya ongcwele is only God. And umoya ongcwele cannot exist la ekhona khona ukungcola. Can't. So emasontweni, we have this thing of going there thinking ukuthi we are going to find siya endaweni engcwele, siya endlini engcwele. Ayikho ngcwele. Kukhona abantu lapha abantu abekho ngcwele. Yabo. Abantu abekho ngcwele. So it is showing the agenda of the church, and it is showing the reality. The reality of the church is that the church is not holy, because the church is led by people. People are not holy. So leanto siyibonile nje is just showing us nje leo reality nje leyo ukuthi kahle amasonto are plagued with such things. It's just that they happen mostly in secret. Yabo. Abafundisi banezikandali engapheli bayathini. It shows ukuthi the church itself is not holy. Ungayigqoka uniform yakho, you attend isonto lakho religiously as you like. Uyabo ulmele uhamba ama-conference, ama-branch, ntontoni, hlangana ama-branch, kuyalalwana nje laphayana, kuyachithelwana, kwenziwa yonke lento le eyenziwa outside of church. So mina ngihlezi ngisho ngithi, it's, religion, spirituality, church is a very subjective thing. You can't force it down anyone's throat. But I always say ukuthi mina isonto is the home that you build. It can literally be in your own space, where 2 or 3 or more are joined together in his name. That is a church. That's where you would find ukuthi where those 2 or 3 or 4 are joined together in spirit and in truth. Isonto lilapho, yabo. So going to a building thinking ukuthi you're going to find God. No, you're not going to find God. Uzothola abantu abafana njengawe, abonakele, abonayo, benza zonke lezi zinto esizibonayo. So I think that the sooner we start to unlearn this perception that church is a holy place, this is over.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgusase Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Seswendo mbatanele be trend lapha St. John's. Finally udecide ukubreaka her silence, akhulume ayobhala laphana ku-Facebook ngasisi wakhe ngemva kokuthi ambona circulator lapha etinkundleni tokuqhumana. Ubhale ngale ndlela uthi, good afternoon South Africa, the girl you see in this trending video is my big sister, and I would like to apologize on her behalf. She's not someone who goes around doing such things in public. She was under the influence of something. As we speak, she's at hospital fighting for her life because of this video. It really affected her self-esteem badly. I don't think she'll ever heal from this. Can you please stop sharing the video and making fun of it? Because my sister is a married woman. You are all putting her marriage in jeopardy. Othi says lana siyekele kusabalalisa leya video yaseswakhe, because seswakhe akasuye umuntu lo normal inkosi yami la ngento lefana nale, especially hayi nje ezidlangalaleni. Uthi lokho kum affect kakhulu seswakhe, even self esteem yakhe yehlile uthi sikhuluma nje sesi wakhe usesibhedlele ulwela impilo yakhe because of ukusabalala kwale video lapha etinkundleni yokuxhumana. Uthi yamxolisela asikeleni ukuyishare ivideo ngoba sesi wakhe ushadile, and bantu abaningi bamgqekile kakhulu lo ntombatane ekubhaleni kwakhe le post lapha ku-Facebook. People are saying ukuthi uma athi yena sijeopardize umshado wasesi wakhe sho ukuthi ngithi le besimbhebha. People are just saying ukuthi hayi sise sho ukuthi ngithi lesi-uploadile video, ngithi lesimshuthile, ngithi le besindisisa sesi wakhe. So bantu bamgcekile kakhulu sesi njengoba sivile bantu batikhulumela basho ukuthi cha uyasukela nje nakumele natshele thina ukuthi asingayishare ivideo. Yena ngawatshela sesi wakhe ukuthi abotiphatha bangahambi benta mikhuba emasondweni. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.